There are many possible scenarios for why your call history is gone. It could be caused by a formatted device, malware or virus infected, or other reasons. The good thing about Xiaomi phones is that you have flexible options to back up your data, and easy ways to retrieve deleted call history from Xiaomi. This video will share how to retrieve call history from Xiaomi, and how to avoid data loss in the future. Part 1. How to recover deleted call history from Xiaomi device. The Android recovery tool is your best choice if you do not have any backup. It will scan and find the missing files inside the handset, as long as the files are not yet overwritten. Here are the simple steps. Step 1. Download, install, and launch PhoneDog Toolkit Android Data Recovery on your computer. Step 2. Enable USB debugging on your Xiaomi phone. Step 3. Mark the box for call history and click Next to continue. Once the scanning process is finished, you can see all the files recovered. Step 4. Choose your call histories, and click the Recover button at the bottom of the screen. Part 2. Backup call history from Xiaomi phone to avoid data loss. Xiaomi devices have their own default backup setting, which you can take advantage of anytime. Simply go to Settings to activate the MIUI Cloud Sync on your device, to back up all the call history made. There are also so many apps in the Play Store that offers backups for call logs. If you do not like third-party apps, you can sync to your Gmail so you can keep track of them anytime and anywhere. Thanks to technological innovations, we have programs that can do all the hard work, like data recovery with ease. If you like this video, subscribe to our channel for more tutorials.